All right, we got them all gridded up. TQ is elected to flip the field. He's going to start last. So on the pole is going to be Tanner Wolf and the Little Beetle Bug.
Go Herbie!
Got McNugget, Ashley Davis in the green truck. Ray Martin starting third, also in the green truck. Brian must have had a sale on green paint in the hobby shop. Got Michael Norton in the black, white, and pink truck. And your TQ for the Euro Truck Breakout class, Cliff McCardle. Drivers, next sound you hear will be the start of your race. Everybody goes on the tone.
Every race today.
Turtle in the infield. Turtle's clear. Michael Norton out front, 1191 or 1891. Cliff, 1983. Ray, 2401. Ashley, 2838. Tanner, 3112. Cliff McCardle, closest to the breakout, 1686 last time by. Michael, 1856. Ray, 1910. Got a minute down, 4 to go. Got Cliff and Michael duking it out right now. Closest race on the racetrack, blue and white truck with the black, hot pink, and white truck. Separated by 3/10 on the clock, but a lot closer on the track. They're bumping and banging. Sweep the leg, Michael, sweep the leg. Cliff with a 1722, Michael with a 1720, Ray 1908, Ashley 2408, Tanner 3480. And your second place truck looks like he's had a little issue. He's lost a wheel. And he broke the center out of the wheel, running second. Your leader said, "Excuse me," to McNugget in the switchbacks. Cliff pretty much on a lap by himself at this point in time. Ray moving up to second, Ashley into third. Ray's last lap was a 20:49. Ray with a 20:11. Cliff had a 1867 that time by. McNugget with a 2022. 12 seconds behind Ray. Can she make up some time? Got a minute 30 to go. Ashley chopping into that lead on Ray that he's got. She's chopping it in.
One minute left.
4 seconds that time by. She chopped into it. And just when Ray has a few problems, Ashley has a couple problems of her own. Let's see how it works out on timing. It's exactly a straightaway right now. 5.4 seconds behind second place. Can the two green trucks settle it amongst themselves for second? The gap between the two green trucks is starting to get a little tight as the leader comes by Ashley. 12 seconds to go. Can Ray hang on? Still right at a straightaway. It's 3.2 seconds. If there's any hiccups through this road course section, Ashley's going to be all over Ray. All right, you got Cliff taking at 18.5.14, Ray 15.5.17, Ashley 15.5.19, Tanner 9.5.05.